Hey Fish Nation, making another cooking video. It's gonna be pretty quick. DIY giant spicy Doritos. I already cut what I'm using to make the Dorito out of up, and I'm using hot sauce with salt to make it like orange and spicy, since it's spicy Doritos. The oil is heating up. I'm gonna fry them in. And yeah, my sister doesn't want to be on it, so I was about to put the camera on her and she's like, no, don't do it. I don't want to have my hair down in my pajamas in front of the internet. Yeah, so see ya when I'm putting them in the fryer. Okay, the oil looks like it's ready to be for the stuff to be put in, so I'm gonna put the hot sauce on them and then fry them, and then we'll see how they taste. So you get like a brush, or I guess you could use something else, but like a spoon. I just put that on there. Doesn't have to be a lot. You could just use red food coloring and stuff if you don't like hot sauce, but this is DIY spicy Doritos, so you just want to put some on, because then we're gonna repaste them after we take them out of the fryer. Comment down below your favorite type of Dorito. Okay, we're gonna put these in the fryer. Or fry them. Okay. What? Grace, can you hold the camera? Yeah. Okay. It's hard to hold everything though. Don't put your hands over the lens, you dummy. And get your fingers out of the way. Okay, come here. We're putting them in the fryer. It's on low. It just does that. Oh yeah, you smell awesome. Not really. Yeah, I got it. Okay, we can only fit 3, so that's all I'm putting in there. And I'll flip this over. You want them to be nice and crispy. Mm-hmm. Can you maybe chill? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be my own camera person. So, yep, just gonna cook these. Get back to you when they're all done. Okay, guys, these are what the DIY giant Doritos look like. Now for the taste test. After this, maybe I'll fry a Girl Scout cookie. Maybe I'll fry a Cliff Bar. Who knows? But time to try. crunchy like a Dorito. Tastes a little more like spicy toast. But, you know. Well, I like it. Post down in the make sure to click that little bell next to the subscribe button. If you haven't already, it'll notify you whenever I have a new video out. And smash the like button. Give me 20 likes. No, 15 likes. And put in the comments if you're gonna try this.